What we're doing is we're putting new springs on the drill so we have more down pressure to see if it plants the beans better, and we got new drag chains for the back. So, and this is Ethan, he's helping out. He comes around a lot.
Yes, I do. That's what they have been, and this are pulling in.
Yeah. 1952A right here. Haven't been started since last year. We're gonna try and start. Thing in the background is the WD back there. So we're gonna try and fire it. Haven't been started in a while, so let's go. Getting the tractors out. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. And today we are at Great Grandma's mowing grass. First time. And we got an old mower here, Boland's MTD. I don't know anything about it. I just want to get it running so that we don't have to bring two mowers all the time. And I'll explain that later. So let's try and get it running. Let's get her going. So, set the tripod here. Brought the air tank, got 60 PSI in it, and gonna try and fill up the tires as best I can. Are you kidding me? It leaked out. A waste of time. This is such a waste of time, man. We'll get to see that in a minute. That's our new toy. Grandma just bought it, so yeah. Is that a compressor? That might be a compressor. What is this? It is. It is an air compressor. Okay. I have no idea how to drive this thing at all, but we are going to figure it out. Oh, it's this crap. Starter. Let it charge for a second, check the oil. It's got actually decent oil on it. Like the oil's clean. 13 horse, wow. Come on, baby. if I could somehow get it off. Geez, how do you get that off? Hell, that's a brand new spark plug. I got this kind of sanded. I mean, it ain't gonna get any better, but we're gonna try it. I mean, there's not really much you can do except get a new one. I don't think I have a new one here. Like this size at least. It's gonna work, and we're gonna have a running mower. I'm gonna mow grass, or it's not gonna work. I'm gonna be pissed, and yeah, we're gonna keep twiddling with it.
Jump into the car on a Friday night. I wanna drive with you. Looking for a bar in the nearest town. I've never seen a sky so blue. We don't ever play it and the night is young. It doesn't matter what we do. There ain't nobody like, there ain't nobody like. You look so beautiful, and I'm so lucky to be yours. And you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you. I'm not coming down. Ain't nobody like you. I could go 1,000 miles as long as I'm with you. Yeah, you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you. Talking about yourself and you make me smile. I can listen all night long. I tell you about the time when I first met you, listening to our favorite song. Walking on the street when you caught my eye, something about the way you move. No, there ain't nobody like, there ain't nobody like. So lucky to be yours. And you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you. I'm not coming down. Ain't nobody like you. I could go 1,000 miles as long as I'm with you. Yeah, you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you. Ain't nobody like you. Ain't nobody like you. drive with you. Looking for a bar in the nearest town. I've never seen a sky so blue.